foods rich in keratin and biotin that improve hair growth. To improve hair growth, boost your body's keratin levels.
Keratin is a type of structural protein found in your hair, skin, and nails. Keratin-rich foods help prevent hair loss, increase nail growth, and improve skin texture.
Eggs.
Eggs are a great source of biotin, an essential nutrient involved in keratin synthesis. Biotin, collagen, protein, sulfur, amino acids, iron, zinc, and beta-carotene are all included in these powerhouses. Mangoes. Vitamins found in mangoes promote the growth of healthy, strong, and shiny hair. Vitamin A repairs and protects hair from UV rays. It also strengthens the hair follicles to prevent the fall of the new hair.
Carrots. Loaded with vitamin C, which promotes collagen synthesis to support hair, skin, and nail health. Carrots offer plenty of biotin, vitamin B6, potassium, and vitamin K1.
Coconut. Eating coconut and using coconut oil on hair has benefits for your hair. Coconut is loaded with healthy fats, minerals, and vitamins that strengthen hair and add luxurious shine.
Avocados. Avocados are full of alpha, tocopherol, an antioxidant that fights free radicals that can dull and stress hair. Almonds. Almonds contain magnesium and vitamin D to help strengthen hair.
Cooked spinach. Spinach can actually help boost hair volume. Iron deficiency can cause hair loss, and just 1 cup of cooked spinach packs 6.5 milligrams of iron. Cooking spinach unlocks some of its natural iron absorption inhibitors. So make sure to cook it up for maximum benefits.
Liver. Certain organ meats, especially liver, are high in biotin.
Most of your body's biotin is stored in your liver. Just 3 ounces 75 grams of cooked beef liver provides nearly 31 mg of biotin. Cooked chicken liver is an even richer source, packing 138 mg per 3 ounce 75 gram. Some people enjoy liver fried with onions, minced into homemade burger patties, or chopped and cooked to top pasta dishes.
Mushrooms. Mushrooms are nutrient-rich fungi that offer several health benefits, including ample biotin. In fact, their high biotin content protects them from parasites and predators in the wild. 120 grams of canned button mushrooms contain 0.6 mcg of biotin.
Sunflower seeds. A cup of roasted sunflower seeds has about 2.6 micrograms of biotin, which is more than any other seed. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel for more videos.